everybody, Craig here. You've heard me talk about it enough. Well, it's finally here. We have relaunched our brand new website and course. And of course, if you haven't gone through all of the trading strategies, well, now you can actually jump in there and basically try before you buy. We still have our money back guarantee in place. And I just want to show you around a couple of things in here. If you've ever got any questions or you need anything, guys, please do make sure you use a little chat box down here in the bottom right hand corner, as my team are there to help you through anything. Second to that, why did I redo the courses and when did I do it? I did it last year, actually, a long time ago. We put a lot of work into this platform, so I hope you like it. I redid it because we only do one course now, just our Become a Master course. So you get to Become a Trader course first up, and I'll just, obviously you can go through all this, but I'll just show you the free course section here, because you need to register for that. Okay, you put your details in there and away you go. Good as gold. Little test email here that I've set up, and then you can go and log in. You can watch through things. Of course, there's little videos.
G'day guys.
Go la la la. Happy days. Now, from here, you're going to be taken into the members area. All right, so I'll show you how it looks. By the way, anybody who has already joined us on what was called our bronze course or any of those other packages that we used to have, hey, listen, you still got access to this. It's just a new course redone. It's more interactive. I've got a drawing tool, so I'm drawing on the screen now, much more like when I'm at an event, but even better because I'm actually drawing on the slides, and you'll see me down in the bottom corner to emphasize certain points when I get quite enthusiastic. I did upgrade the slides as well, and I've listened to the feedback of not only the community, like people like yourself that went through the course, but also people that, also throughout, the 5 tour spaces ideal places I did in Australia and a couple overseas as well. So I've just remastered it, remodeled it, remade it, and I'm very, very proud of this work. So I want you to get in there and check it out. Now, the stories about the people that have actually gone through the actual course itself, the Become a Master course, I've got a lot of people that are very good friends with me now. They're full-time traders or making a full-time income without having to put the full-time hours in. And I want to make sure you're aware of that, because it's not just about having, people go, oh, I haven't got the time to trade. That's not true. That's an excuse, okay? And I get it, you might not want to have that conversation at the time, or you might put it off, but you have got time. This is a 24/7, 365 market, and you don't need to be putting lots and lots of time into it. I mean, one of the guys, Reese, for example, the guy works with us. He's involved. You can have a chat with the guy if you want to talk about his journey. But, he's not sitting there staring at charts all day. You go in there and you trade your windows. And that's where you got to get in this, at least the free side of it, and work out if you want to go on the paid stuff. Because I teach you how to trade those windows, how to use a little bit of time you might have to maximize the potential returns there that are available to you. So once you're in there, you come in, become a trader, learn more. Boom, boom. Here we go. And, you sign up to that. Now, what I shall show you is exactly what that looks like. Here we go. Become a trader. Once you have jumped in there and you've registered, as you see here, you'll be sent the information to get in. But if I go and click on Become a Trader, what you'll see is I'll have all these little bits and bobs. Now, of course, this is an introduction to this free course, and here are all the chapters. And the reason we've done this is quite simply so you can go back and revise areas. Now, this is where I teach you everything about what I do, okay? I give you all the ingredients, and then you go ahead, and if you wish to purchase, you buy the strategies, okay, and the checklists that are there. We do recaps, we do overviews, we show you what accounts we use and why, how to set up your exchange accounts, information, closing thoughts, and what you need to do next to get involved. So, for example, if I just click on this, that's the video right there. If I go and press play, I'm just going to mute this so that you don't have to hear that. Drag it through a little bit, and what you'll find, I can go to my next lesson, and you'll actually see the progress bar if I go back to the classroom. So you can see here, see that? 0% complete because I've watched bugger all. Of course, if you wish to then go and upgrade to them, Become a Master, you're more than welcome to do that. It's important you understand this, because the idea of what we're doing here is we want to give you even more value. I do a heap of free stuff out there with the podcast, YouTube, socials, lives. I mean, I do heaps for free. We wanted to give people that were sort of sitting on the fence and thinking, well, I've compared this to other people's courses that I might not have had the best experience with. That's fine. I get it. we've given you not only a money back guarantee here, but we've also given you access to just get in and get started. Start watching it for nothing. If you go through it and you think that's rubbish, it's like what I've done before and I don't like it, or whatever your reason may be, well then it didn't lose anything. It didn't cost you a cent. That's why we've done it. So go and get stuck into that. I can't wait to hear your feedback, and yeah, see, I just want it to work. I want it to work for you. It's the best work I've ever done. I'm really excited. I'm very proud about it. I know that the past course has got a lot of people to change their lives. Full-time trading, making great incomes from these markets with simple checklist-based trading strategies, and I'm really proud of it. I've just done a better job this time with my team and with the feedback from you guys in the community. I hope this is the stepping stone that you need. I believe that it is. I know that I can get you where you need to be, but it needs your commitment. So go to the free stuff and let's see where you end up to from there, and hopefully I get you into the community. Take care, guys. Enjoy it. And I'll speak to you again very, very soon. Bye for now.